Hi guys, welcome to this unboxing and quick review about this YOWHICK 1080p mini LCD video projector. The model type is DP01 and it has native 1080p support, and the 1080p here means really it has native 1080p resolution, but it has also 4K support. It has Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz and also 5G. As far as I can see, it has Bluetooth 5.0. It has a whopping 9500 lumen and even a hi-fi speaker, and supports screens with up to 200 inches diagonal, but of course depends on the brightness. Of course there's no limitation. If you have it super dark, you can even use it on larger screens. We have even some more description here on the side. As you can see, it supports worldwide voltage, which is really nice, and it is very lightweight, only 1.65 kilograms. So let's open the box and see what we get. Yeah, it's a very comprehensive set, comes even with this large screen, and then we get this user manual. As you can see, there's a lot of description here inside, and here's the projector, definitely a rather smaller one. Comes with the remote control and a couple of different cables. You get this power cable and these AV cables and full-size HDMI cable. So we have everything what we need. As far as I can see, there are no batteries included, so we need two AAA batteries. But of course we have all the functions, or pretty much all the functions, here also on top. We can remove this protection here, looks really nice. So I think it's a really good control here with the menu functions, okay, even with some cursor on, off, return. So I think we have everything here as well. What's important that we have the infrared receiver in the back and also one in the front. Then probably some ventilation here, a speaker on the right side, also power. Then we have the protection here for the lens. We have focus and we have the keystone correction. By the way, there's only vertical keystone correction. There's no horizontal keystone correction. So you can have it like in an upright or like a down position. This you can correct with the keystone, but you cannot have it like left or right. So you have to point it straight towards the screen with this projector. We can see this tilting function built in, really nice. So you don't have to use books or something if you just want to tilt it a little bit up. And then we have also this standard 1/4 inch tripod mount. Here also some other description, and we have these 4 soft rubber feet, which is also really helpful. So it has a safe stand here on top, so it makes a really good impression. And of course here on the left side we have all the ports. Here we have the 3.5mm audio, then the AV, then we have the card reader, then we have full-size HDMI, we have the USB, which you can use like for a USB stick. If you have like an MP4 video on your USB stick, you can directly play it with the built-in internal player. And here's some legacy VGA output like for old computers also. This is really good. What I also like is that we can plug the power directly into the projector, so it doesn't require an external powered like transformer or something like that. So let's test the remote control. We just push the red button here and it starts blinking, and I guess it will, it goes to green, and then we see the light. So of course this distance is too short for focusing. This usually works from maybe 3 feet or so, but we can definitely see that the remote control works here from this side. But let's test it also from the front, and you can see it also works from the front easily. So I would assume that this is also some infrared receiver, or regardless of that, it also works from the front. That's really important. Of course now we want to look how the projector itself is performing in real life, and so we are using this screen here. It comes also with some mounting hooks, very nice, and we can feel that it's very soft, and you can see it doesn't produce any wrinkles. That's exactly what we want to see. No matter how you transport or store it, as soon as you are hanging it up, you can see all the wrinkles, everything is gone. So I've started the projector here inside, and the projector is about 1.2 meters, about 4 feet or so away from the screen. Makes a really good impression. I've easily been able to focus really nice, definitely no problem. When we are moving it up and of course then using the Keystone Correction, it's not perfectly sharp everywhere, but I would say it's on a very good level, much better than what I've seen from many other projectors. But this is of course only a problem when we are very close to the screen. If you have a larger distance, then there's absolutely no problem with the Keystone Correction. But of course, if I would make it straight where I don't have to use the Keystone Correction, then everything is absolutely perfect. So here I'm straight behind the projector inside. I'm just about 1 foot away, and as you can hear, there's almost no noise from the fan. I mean, you can hear that, but it's definitely not loud. Also, the image is very good, as you can see here. I mean, we are just inside. I'm just using the blinds on the window, so it's definitely far away from being dark, and you can see the image is absolutely awesome from left to right, up and down. Everything nice and clear, very crisp, very good colors. So let's try and play some music here with the remote control. And so let's click on the C drive, and we see all the videos which we have here on the USB stick. Very easy. We choose the 1080p, that's a native 1080p. Let's see if it can play that. Yeah, so we are using the play button here to increase the size to full size. And as you can see, it's playing nice and smooth, absolutely no lags, very nice details. Also these scenes really nice, as you can see, a lot of details. It's very sharp, nice and clear and crisp and very smooth, even when we do not have a very dark room here. And so in the meantime, let's also go a little bit closer here, because I think it's really good quality, and of course you want to see that here. Yeah, I'm recording here a little bit from the side, and I am here a little bit in the picture, but I hope you can still see that. For me, yeah, definitely really good, makes a very good impression here regarding the image. So let's go back and try even the 4K video sample. Okay, it says video resolution not supported, but the 1080p definitely worked awesome. So let's also see the menus, what we have here. We can see we can adjust the picture mode with different sharpness and different color temperatures, different aspect ratios, noise reduction, reduce display size. So we cannot increase the display size. The only way to increase the display size is of course to go further away from the screen, but we can reduce the display size. The smallest we can do is 75%. Then of course on the right side we have then different audio settings, sound mode balance, automatic volume, surround sound, Bluetooth connection like to your external speakers or so. And here also a lot of other settings. And then something which of course a lot of people are interested to know is how to screencast, and we are using the input selector here to choose the screen mirroring. We select screen mirroring here, and so we have the choice for Android, iOS and some settings. Yeah, let's try it with the settings, Wi-Fi. So let's connect to the ELK Wi-Fi here. We are giving the password. And so let's see if it can connect. We are not very close to the router, but let's see. Yeah, it says connected, successful. That's already very promising. So let's go back here and select the Android screen. So here I am on my Android phone on the settings. When we pull down just the screen, and here we have Screencast. So let's see what we can do. Let's go to settings. And we see this RK cast. Let's try here. It says connecting, and we see some reaction already on the projector. Yeah, we have now definitely this screen. And so let's go to YouTube and also play this video here. Can also make it of course full screen. And now we have same thing. Yeah, that was definitely super easy. I love this thing, how easy this works. absolutely awesome. So very easy to use, good quality, a lot of features. Yeah, from my side, full recommendation. And so I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.